What's up, everybody? It's Mike from Cornfield Customs, and I just got back into town from my month-long road trip out to SEMA, where I got to meet a lot of great people and kind of network with people that I meet online and companies I like to work with. And then from there, I went to Huntington Beach, California, and worked at Mackey's Hot Rods for a week to kind of keep me busy and help make a little bit of money while I was out of town for so long. And then we went and raced at Mirage Dry Lake Bed in California. So that was an amazing experience. I'm gonna put some footage of SEMA and the racing in this little video here. And now that I'm back home, I have a ton of work out in the shop I need to get caught up on. But I also have to get the modified Roadster out of the trailer, cleaned up, kind of prepped for next season, and put on the shelf. I'm gonna pull down the Streamliner hopefully this weekend and get it kind of into a spot where I can start working on it again now that our racing season is kind of wound down. And I'm also gonna get down our white street Roadster that I picked up over the summer. That car I'm hoping to have out at Bonneville in August. So I've got some parts for it. I've got the mock-up engine here, the transmission I picked up on the way home. I got a new radiator, and some other parts are in the works to get here. So we're gonna get those two cars down, start working on the Streamliner and the white street Roadster, which I hope that car will make it to Bonneville this year. So check this video out as I bring everything in, start getting stuff cleaned up, going over kind of our experiences, prepping the white car, and that'll be a series all on its own. But check this video out as I get things moved around, and we'll keep moving forward. All right, got the Roadster all pushed in, and as you can see, it's pretty filthy from racing out on the dirt all weekend at El Mirage. So I got to do a little bit of cleanup work on it, but mainly it's just pull the body panels off, take them outside, rinse them off, blow everything on the inside out, because the inside of the car never really got wet, so it's just kind of dusty, and I can wipe everything down. There's a few little issues, like with one of the spots on the paint came loose, and under speed it kind of blew off. So we're gonna get that part repainted and get everything cleaned up, ready for the May meet at El Mirage, and just kind of put the car to the side. So with that in mind, I'm gonna put the Roadster on the 4-post lift, and I'm gonna get the white street Roadster off the lift and over here to be worked on as well. I'm gonna try to get it ready for Bonneville this year while working on the Streamliner. So it's gonna be a busy year in the race shop. So let me get to moving everything around, and we'll kind of keep going. And after this video, I'm gonna do kind of a walk around and start the series on the Streamliner, and I'm gonna start a series on the white Roadster for the rebuild. So if you're into land speed racing, wanna see how stuff's done, make sure, if you haven't yet, please subscribe, because we're gonna do the Streamliner, the white Roadster, and continue working on the modified Roadster. So thanks for watching, and check out these cars. You guys were starting to think that I forgot to put in the footage from SEMA and El Mirage, but I'm gonna put it here at the tail end. There's not a lot, but what I think I've got is pretty good. So let me know what you think down in the comments section, and thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.
Car number 4210, or excuse me, 4510.